Discover the key to vibrant, stunning hair with the magical power of castor oil. This ancient beauty elixir turns dull strands into a luxurious mane thanks to its rich, nourishing formula. Packed with ricinoleic acid, it stimulates growth, prevents breakage, and leaves your hair irresistibly soft and shiny. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 5 essential benefits of castor oil for hair, along with expert tips on how to use it effectively for maximum results. 1. Secret weapon for hair growth. One of the most acclaimed benefits of castor oil is its ability to promote hair growth. The oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, an omega-9 fatty acid that has been shown to improve blood circulation in the scalp. Enhanced circulation ensures that hair follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients, fostering a healthier environment for hair growth. To unlock the magic of castor oil, start by warming a small amount in a bowl to help it penetrate your scalp more effectively. Next, part your hair into sections and apply the oil directly to your scalp using a dropper or your fingertips. Enjoy a soothing scalp massage in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. Let the oil work its wonders for at least 30 minutes. Or for the best results, leave it overnight and wash it off in the morning with a mild shampoo. Repeat this fun and relaxing ritual 1 to 2 times a week for fabulous hair. 2. Ultimate Hair Moisturizer and Conditioner. This magical substance is a powerful humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture. Its thick consistency creates a protective barrier on the hair shaft, preventing moisture loss and leaving hair feeling soft and hydrated. How to use it? Mix castor oil with a lighter oil like coconut or jojoba to make it easier to apply, then generously coat your hair, paying special attention to those dry ends. You can also give your scalp some love if needed. Pop on a shower cap and let the magic happen for 1 to 2 hours, or go for the ultimate deep conditioning by leaving it on overnight. Make this luxurious treatment a weekly ritual to keep your hair fabulously moisturized and feeling its best. 3. Guardian against hair breakage and split ends. Always problematic about split ends? Well, this might be your answer. Regular use of castor oil can significantly reduce hair breakage and split ends. The fatty acids in castor oil penetrate the hair shaft, strengthening it from within and making it more resilient to damage caused by styling, environmental factors, and daily wear and tear. How to apply it? Warm the castor oil slightly for better absorption. Apply a small amount of oil to the ends of your hair after washing and towel drying it. Avoid the scalp if your hair tends to get greasy. Leave it in as a fabulous leave-in treatment. No rinsing needed. Pamper your hair with this magic elixir 2 to 3 times a week, depending on what your hair needs. 4. Superhero against dandruff and scalp troubles. Tired of dealing with an itchy, dry scalp? Say goodbye to discomfort because this is your secret weapon. Castor oil has potent antifungal and antibacterial properties, making it effective in treating dandruff and scalp infections. It helps to balance the scalp's pH, reduce inflammation, and eliminate pathogens that cause dandruff and other scalp conditions. Combine castor oil with tea tree oil or peppermint oil, which also have antimicrobial properties. Apply the mixture directly to the scalp and massage it in gently. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it off with a gentle shampoo. Use this treatment once a week to keep dandruff and scalp infections at bay. 5. Improves hair thickness and volume. The nutrients in castor oil, particularly its high levels of vitamin E, proteins, and omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, can enhance hair thickness and volume. Regular application of castor oil nourishes the hair follicles, encouraging them to produce thicker and healthier strands. Prepare it by mixing castor oil with a carrier oil like almond or olive oil to make it easier to distribute through the hair. Apply the mixture from the roots to the tips of your hair, ensuring even coverage. Leave it on for at least an hour or overnight for a more intensive treatment. Use this treatment 1 to 2 times a week to see noticeable improvements in hair thickness and volume. Proper use and tips. While castor oil can offer numerous benefits for hair, using it correctly is essential to achieve the best results. Here are some additional tips and precautions. Patch test. Before using castor oil extensively, perform a patch test to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Apply a small amount of oil to a patch of skin and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. Dilution. Due to its thickness, castor oil can be challenging to apply directly. Mixing it with lighter oils not only makes it easier to use, but also enhances its benefits by combining the properties of multiple oils. Consistent use. For significant improvements, consistency is key. Regular application of castor oil is necessary to achieve and maintain the desired results. Quality. Always choose cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil for the best quality. Cold-pressed oils retain more nutrients compared to those extracted using heat or chemicals. Protective measures. Use an old t-shirt or a towel to protect your clothing and bedding from oil stains during application and overnight treatments. Common questions and answers. Can castor oil make hair greasy? Yes. Due to its thick and viscous nature, castor oil can make hair greasy if applied excessively. Using a small amount and focusing on the scalp and ends can help manage this issue. Additionally, washing your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo after treatment can remove excess oil. How long does it take to see results from castor oil? Results can vary depending on individual hair types and conditions. Generally, noticeable improvements in hair texture and moisture can be seen within a few weeks of consistent use. For hair growth and thickness, it may take a few months of regular application. Can castor oil be used on all hair types? Yes, castor oil is suitable for all hair types, including straight, wavy, curly, and coily hair. However, individuals with fine or oily hair should use it sparingly to avoid weighing their hair down. Is it safe to use castor oil on color-treated hair? Yes, castor oil is safe for color-treated hair. In fact, its moisturizing properties can help maintain the vibrancy of the color and prevent dryness and damage caused by chemical treatments. Can castor oil help with alopecia or severe hair loss? While castor oil can promote healthier hair growth and improve scalp conditions, it is not a cure for alopecia or severe hair loss. Individuals with these conditions should consult a healthcare professional for appropriate treatment options. Castor oil is a versatile and potent natural treatment for a variety of hair concerns. Its ability to promote hair growth, moisturize and condition hair, prevent breakage and split ends, treat dandruff and scalp infections, and improve hair thickness and volume makes it an invaluable addition to any hair care routine. By following the proper usage guidelines and maintaining consistency, you can harness the full potential of castor oil to achieve that healthy and lovely hair you've been aiming for. Excited to hear about more ways castor oil can transform your hair? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and share your experiences with this incredible product. And if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to check out the next one shown on screen.